Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Okay, Paw Patrol. There's been a rock slide on the old trestle bridge. Rocks have covered the tracks. The train is trapped.
Ryder, there's been a rock slide at the old trestle bridge.
Katie's on that train.
Don't worry, Sky. We'll make sure she gets home safe. Rubble, I need you and your bulldozer to scoop the boulders off the track.
Let's dig it.
Rocky, I need you and your truck to haul the boulders away.
Green means go.
Paw Patrol is on a roll.